Hey there. If you're tired of that burning sensation in your chest and throat, you're not alone. Acid reflux affects millions of people every day. But don't worry, today we're going to show you how to combat acid reflux effectively. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear, step-by-step plan to tackle it head-on. So, let's get started. But first, what are the things you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get into it. Get rid of it! Before we jump into solutions, it's important to understand what acid reflux is. Acid reflux occurs when stomach acid flows back into the esophagus, causing irritation. This can lead to heartburn, a burning sensation in your chest, and other uncomfortable symptoms. Now here's how to deal with acid reflux. Modify your diet. One of the most crucial steps in combating acid reflux is changing what you eat. Here's what you need to do. Avoid trigger foods. Certain foods can trigger acid reflux. These include spicy foods, citrus fruits, tomatoes, chocolate, mint, garlic, onions, and fatty or fried foods. A study by the American Journal of Gastroenterology in 2019 highlighted that cutting down on these can significantly reduce symptoms. Eat smaller, more frequent meals. Large meals can put pressure on your lower esophageal sphincter, LES, causing it to open and allow acid to escape. Instead, aim for smaller, more frequent meals throughout the day. Include alkaline foods. Foods like bananas, melons, oatmeal, and green vegetables can help neutralize stomach acid and are gentle on your digestive system. Stay upright after eating. Don't lie down immediately after meals. Instead, wait at least 2 to 3 hours. This helps prevent the acid from flowing back into your esophagus. Make lifestyle changes. Your lifestyle can also play a significant role in managing acid reflux. Here are some practical changes you can make. Lose weight if needed. Extra weight can increase pressure on your stomach, pushing acid into your esophagus. According to a 2020 study by the Mayo Clinic, even a small weight loss can help reduce symptoms. Wear loose clothing. Tight clothes can compress your stomach and LES, causing acid to reflux. Opt for loose, comfortable clothing, especially around your waist. Elevate your bed head. Raising the head of your bed by about 6 to 8 inches can prevent acid from flowing back into your esophagus while you sleep. You can use bed risers or a wedge pillow for this purpose. Avoid smoking and alcohol. Both smoking and alcohol can weaken the LES, making acid reflux worse. Quitting smoking and reducing alcohol intake can make a significant difference. Natural remedies. There are several natural remedies that can help soothe and prevent acid reflux. Ginger tea. Ginger has natural anti-inflammatory properties and can help soothe your digestive system. Drink a cup of ginger tea before meals to help reduce symptoms. Chew gum. Chewing gum increases saliva production, which can help neutralize stomach acid. Just make sure it's sugar-free gum to avoid any additional problems. Aloe vera juice. Aloe vera is known for its healing properties. Drinking a small amount of aloe vera juice can help soothe the esophagus. Herbal teas. Chamomile tea can help reduce inflammation and balance stomach acid levels. It's a great option to include in your daily routine. Over-the-counter medications. If lifestyle changes and natural remedies aren't enough, there are over-the-counter medications that can help manage acid reflux. Antacids. These can provide quick relief by neutralizing stomach acid. They are widely available and can be taken as needed. H2 blockers. These reduce the amount of acid your stomach produces. They are effective for longer-lasting relief. Proton pump inhibitors, PPIs. These medications reduce the production of acid more effectively than H2 blockers. They are useful for chronic acid reflux. I hope you found these tips helpful. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, share this video with anyone you know who might benefit, and leave a comment below with your own tips or questions about acid reflux. Acid reflux can be a real pain, but with these strategies, you can take control and reduce your symptoms. Remember, it's all about finding what works best for you and making small, manageable changes. If your acid reflux is severe or doesn't improve with these tips, consult a healthcare professional. They can help identify any underlying causes and create a personalized treatment plan to get you feeling your best again.